What's up guys, SmileShortly here, and I have another confession for you. So today's confession happens to be another childhood elementary school story. See, last week I told you guys that I'm hard of hearing. And so for today's story, it has to do with my hearing. In 5th grade, you learn in math about product, sum, difference, and quotient. I think it's quotient. Difference was the big one. I did not know what difference meant. So I don't know what it was, whether I wasn't paying attention, whether I was talking to someone, or whether I was just copying off of the board and not listening to him. But he explained what difference was to our class. I remember him writing difference, but I just didn't get to my mind. Maybe I didn't hear him. I don't really remember. But I was like, what the heck does difference mean? So here's the embarrassing part. We have a math test, right? And so we all have our test in front of us. And the very first question is, what is the difference between 8 and 5? Now you guys are thinking, simple, 3, right? Yeah, well, I didn't know what difference meant, okay? So this was my answer. 8 looks like a snowman, and 5 looks like a hook. And this was because difference meant different, and I didn't know any better. I got that question wrong, and I looked at it and I was like, I don't understand, because isn't that right? 8 does look like a snowman, and 5 does look like a hook. So I was very, very confused. So I go over to my mom and my dad, and I'm like, guys, I don't understand this. And I don't know if they didn't look at the problem or something, but I do remember them saying, I don't know. And then I was like, well, I really need help. And they were like, well, your teacher has a math tutoring class after school, so why don't you go to that? So I was like, okay, I guess I will. And I walk over to my teacher and I said, Mr. Wallace, I don't understand how I got this wrong. And he just started laughing, and I was very confused because I didn't know what was so funny. He takes the paper and he shows me that difference is like a minus sign, and so he puts 8 minus 5, and he said the minus is difference. And I felt really stupid. I was really mad that I didn't know that I didn't hear him. And that basically taught me that I really need to pay more attention in class so I can understand better. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up, and also give it a thumbs up if you had any problems with math when you were in elementary school. And I was stammering there. Subscribe to see more future confessions. I have some really hilarious ones coming up, I promise. Also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, anything, Vine, whatever. I have all the links down below, and so make sure to go follow me and keep up to date, because usually I give you guys updates on whether I'm posting a video or not. And also, if you did not see my last week's video about me talking about my hard of hearing and you would like to, please click right here on the screen, and I will have a box, and you can click right here and you can go watch that video. And thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna have a new ending to all my videos. I always say peace, but I remember in one of my videos with Rochelle that she said peace on the streets, and then I said pots because that's what peace on the street stands for. So I am gonna start saying that. So peace on the street, guys. Pot.